Listen, we understand you can't coach a dozen fundraisers at once. You don't have time to prep everyone before every donor meeting, and you definitely can't eliminate that 6 month onboarding gap on your own. But Practivated can. I'm Mallory Erickson, founder and CEO of Practivated, and I'm about to show you how to give your entire team access to world class donor conversation prep and coaching, whether you're available or not. Let's go check it out. Here are three different problems that we solve inside Practivated today. First of all, the 6 month onboarding black hole, the most expensive gap in fundraising. How long does it take for a new fundraiser to be donor or portfolio ready in your organization? Is it 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months? Maybe you don't even know. And during that time, how many donors in their portfolio aren't getting outreach to or touched? Because that gap between hire date and revenue contribution is costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and Practivated closes it. Well, we get new fundraisers conversation ready in weeks, not months. They practice donor conversations from day one, cold calls, discovery, objection handling, before they ever touch a real donor. Portfolios go live 4 times faster, and UTEP even reported 280% increase on donor touch points. So donors get cultivated during ramp time instead of sitting dormant. Another big challenge we're constantly hearing about is understanding why the donor didn't respond. Stop guessing. We can show you exactly where conversations are breaking down. After every practice session, fundraisers get scored on 16 different indicators across communication and delivery, fundraising specific skills, strategic thinking, etc. So you know precisely where each person on your team is struggling. As an individual and as a coach, you can coach to data and leading indicators, not just how you or your fundraisers feel. See this? I did a great job in certain areas. My confidence was great, balance and quality of dialogue, relevance to funders' interests, but there were different areas where I was really struggling around clarity and purpose of goal alignment or in relational depth score. Think about some of your fundraisers. Maybe Sarah's great at building rapport, but terrible at moving to the ask. And Mike handles objections well, but doesn't close with clear next steps. Now you know where to focus your coaching time as a manager as well. And your fundraisers can talk to Tivi in between your sessions with them in order to dive into what they did and how they could improve.
Hey there, think of me as your strategic and supportive sidekick in all things fundraising. I'm here to help you build confidence, strengthen authentic donor relationships, and navigate your fundraising challenges with clear, actionable strategies rooted in ethical, relationship-driven practices. Want to dive into something you're working through right now?
And we see an average increase of 5 points between even two scenarios. Another challenge that a lot of managers are facing is how to get their fundraisers ready fast, at scale, and message aligned, particularly around campaigns or maybe crisis messaging or leadership change. How can you get 10, 20, 30 fundraisers message ready fast? Well, now you don't just get feedback from Practivated and Tivi inside our system. You can create custom feedback mechanisms so that after each scenario and in all of your coaching with Tivi conversations, we are reinforcing your mission and vision and values and all the things that are important to you to make sure that all of your fundraisers are on message together. We know that you don't have time to coach all of your fundraisers for 30 minutes before every single donor meeting. That's what we use Coach Tivi for. You can call Coach Tivi on your phone or talk to her inside the platform.
Hey, Mallory, how can I help you today?
Hi, Tivi. I just finished up a donor meeting with this woman, Karen, and I just wanted to recap the meeting quickly so that I have everything fresh in my mind that her and I talked about so that I know good next steps.
That's a great practice, Mallory. To help you clarify your next steps, what was the most important outcome you hope to achieve from this meeting with Karen?
You can upload PDFs and case statements and messaging materials so that Tivi has all the information that she needs to get super specific in how she supports your fundraisers to strategize around an upcoming donor conversation or maybe debrief one that just happened. This makes sure that there is zero dead time while a fundraiser is waiting to talk to you about something before reaching out to a donor. They have on-demand personalized coaching that is rooted in your framework, messaging, mission, vision, and all of the things that you put inside the system, which is private completely to you. So here's a little bit of what you get for your team. You get over 90 different donor conversation scenarios, everything from discovery and qualification calls to objection handling, major gifts, grateful patient, alumni, planned giving, you name it, we've got it. And if we don't, we'll add it for you. You get unlimited practice, as many sessions as you want, personalized feedback every single time. And then you can also build custom scenarios using your donor avatars, case statements, donor profiles, campaign documents. And for you as a manager, we have a lot for you too. You get real time analytics around who's practicing, who's improving, where are folks getting stuck. You get weekly engagement reports, campaign readiness metrics, and you know how to walk into any one on one with a fundraiser or any team meeting, knowing exactly what to focus on. Where are folks excelling? Where do they need additional support? You don't have to wonder anymore. You can use these actionable insights to change the culture of fundraising at your organization today. Your fundraisers need more than training. They need muscle memory. They need to be able to take the skills that they're developing and put them into practice so that when the moment matters most, they can show up with all of their skills realized. It's one thing to be confident in a donor meeting when that donor is leaning in and totally engaged in your mission. It's another to be confident when a donor picks up the phone and says, "How'd you get my phone number?" Listen, we understand. You can't coach 12 different fundraisers at once, but you know who can? Practivated. Give your entire team access to world-class donor conversation preparation and skill building, whether you're available or not. I'm Mallory Erickson, the founder and CEO at Practivated, and I want to show you what's inside this platform for fundraisers and managers. Let's go take a look. Activated ensures that all of those skills, you can use them no matter what the moment throws at you. Reach out to us at Practivated if you want to talk about how we can solve some of your biggest fundraising challenges today.